Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to show you how to repair this bangle. So let's start the video. So as you can see, one side the ball is fixed and the other side the ball is moving freely. So we'll need to repair this jewelry so that the ball remains fixed both sides. So let's start the process. Now we'll have to apply one small piece of shoulder near the ball so that the ball does not move. The process is very simple, but we need to be very careful so that the jewelry does not get damaged. So here it is, the process is complete. Now as you can see, both sides the balls are fixed and is placed perfectly. So that's it in today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.